Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Tradervue Drawdown. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting to the drawdown report and understanding what it shows you, so you can evaluate risk and see how your trading balance has handled rough patches over time. Drawdown simply refers to how much your equity dips from a previous peak before it recovers. It's one of the clearest ways to understand pain points in a strategy and the size of declines you've needed to sit through. Start by heading to the Tradervue dashboard. This is your home base where your imported trades and account activity live. As long as you're already signed in and have trade data in place, the drawdown report will reflect that history. If you haven't visited in a while, give the page a moment to load your most recent activity so the reports can use the latest figures. On the left side of the dashboard, look for the navigation panel. This vertical menu organizes the platform's main areas. Find the option labeled Reports. It's the section designed for analyzing performance, and it's where Tradervue groups visualizations and metrics that go beyond individual trades, including summaries, charts, and of course, drawdown. Click the Reports option to open the reporting workspace. You'll land on a page with multiple report categories accessible near the top. This layout makes it easy to switch among different views without leaving the analysis context. Keep your focus on the top area where the available report types are listed for quick access. From there, select Drawdown at the top. The drawdown report will load a chart that tracks declines from prior peaks in your equity over time. The deeper the trough on the chart, the larger the decline from your previous high. This view helps you answer essential questions: how large your worst drop has been, how often declines occur, and how long it typically takes to climb back to new highs. You'll generally see values expressed in currency or percentage, depending on how your reports are configured, so interpret the numbers in the context that best matches your risk tolerance. Remember that the chart reflects whatever date range your report's area is currently using, so the shape of the drawdown curve corresponds to that same period. That's all there is to reaching the drawdown report. Visiting the dashboard, finding reports in the left navigation, opening it, and choosing drawdown puts a powerful perspective at your fingertips. Use what you see here to set realistic expectations, align position sizing with risk, and keep your strategy grounded in evidence.